Okay, let's see it again.
You
I'm gonna
missed the shift that one time?
What?
You barely made it that one time. I think you went the wrong way, huh?
Oh no, I went to the left, but like
No, I mean you hit the wrong gear, didn't you?
yeah, I gassed it, but I accidentally gassed it while I shifted, so it all messed up. And I was like, but yeah, the gear was like
Okay, I'm recording you. Did he go up that middle one? Oh. It was kind of bumpy at the top.
Get that?
Yeah, I did. Where'd he go? There he is. Whoa. Slow down. When you hit those bumps at the bottom, they're pretty...